Hi guys, hope you're fine. So today I'm making a very quick, simple liver recipe that you can make at home. I'm using just a few ingredients and you're going to love it. So first and foremost, I'm frying the onions until they start losing color. Then I add the liver to the pan. Make sure it's washed and then finely chopped. Fry until it changes color. Liver is very tasty if cooked well and also if seasoned well. So I'm just going to season with just some salt and pepper, that is black pepper. Then I'll add some green capsicums and fry them shortly. Add my carrots, then I add my tomatoes to the pan and then continue frying the liver. So don't forget to remove the membrane. It's that skin like on top of the liver. Number one, it's going to shorten the cooking process and also it's going to make your liver very soft, which is good, I think. So I'm just going to add some curry powder. So in total, I've used only like 3 dry ingredients. That is black pepper, salt, mixed curry powder. Make sure you get a very nice type of mixed curry powder. And then I'm just going to add in some soy sauce, but I'll add in little because I don't want it to be very salty. And the soy sauce is also going to help to give us a very nice dark color at the end of the cooking. So just continue to stir, and liver takes a short time to cook. Actually takes a very short time to cook. In total, I'm going to use about only 20 minutes. So I'm just adding some little water to my pan and I'm just going to let it simmer on low heat for like 5 minutes. I'm just adding some fresh coriander leaves, and the reason I've added the water is because I want it very soft. So just let it simmer on low heat and then it will come out very soft, tasty and well seasoned. You actually don't need many spices for the liver because it's going to spoil your taste. So here we are. The water has reduced. I just have a very nice thick sauce which is good with rice, plantain and mashed. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you liked it. Have a lovely day.